He's back.
He's not all right. Scanning the scans.
What?
Arthur, you need to relax. Your adrenaline's spiking.
Because he's not all right.
Oh no. Should we bow? Or show our bellies? Victor?
Victor, stop.
Shit! What are you doing?
Victor!
It's my armor's defense system.
No.
It's stronger since the interface. I can't control it.
Victor, no!
Victor! My hands are off!
Kal-El, no! He's confused. He doesn't know who he is.
Pet cemetery.
Arthur, we need to restrain him.
I got him!
Kal-El, the last son of Krypton. Remember who you are. Tell me who you
Clark! I know you.
Please don't make me do this.
Alfred, I need the big gun. You did this. I had to. You won't let me live. You won't let me die. The world needs you. Does it need you? Tell me. Do you bleed?
Clark? Clark. Please. Please. Please.